Great job. Cutchins Tree Service, area code 850-336-1845. You need your trees trimmed or removed and hauled off, give us a call. We're licensed and insured here in Pensacola. Area code 850-336-1845. You can't miss us.